In today's video, we will go with only $8, find out how much profit we can make with the $8. This is no script. You will see it's a blog what we sold today. That is December 7th. So check it out. Let me know what you think. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cintia. I am hybrid reseller. Professional reseller means I sell on Amazon, Postman, and eBay. And welcome. Try to bring you how it is to manage those business, and you will find out what else I will add to my businesses in the future. So if you are interested in something like that, or how you can start it, or how you can manage, so stay tuned and let's see what we can find. Good morning. Today is December 7th and it's already 10:30, but we have Amazon packages ready and we will hit in to check it out what we sold. Anyway, we got 4 items to check it out today, and the first one is this new Philip glass bottles, and this is a set of 3, and I want to show you they sold for $22.99. That was the price that I have it listed, plus 99 shipping. The box is a little open. I could get more from those, but it is what it is. And yes, let me show you. This is a item that I just list. I think it got like a 2 or 3 days that I just listing. I received it because it was a return from Amazon. So yep. The next one that we have is this case spade. This one was an online arbitrage item. It sold for $20 plus shipping. The shipping is $9.99. I accept the offer because I have them for $34.99. So I would recoup my investment plus like a $10 more in profit, which is really cool. I have a pair of those. I was tried out that kind of things, so I have them in there. They are really pretty though. I probably will keep ones. So it's saying their case space, so cool. The other one is this Maywell woman size 26 jeans. They sold for $29.99 plus $9.99 shipping. It was a whatnot find in a show from my friend Katia. Katia have one of the best closets around there in stores from eBay, and yeah, it was a really good one. So $3.73. Katia is sold. I have a little bit traction, not that much, but it is what it is. There we go, Maywell. So some people think the Maywell is not good anymore. Well, there is. It's a good price. We saw the customer, the buyer paid like a $49.99 for that one, $43.99 for that pants. And the other one is this Michael Kors. They sold for $12. I accept the offer, and yes, let me check it out. It sold for $12 plus $9.99 the shipping. I have them for $14.99 because I found them for $1, I think. So yes, it's good. Michael Kors. People don't like it, but I found it really, really good in my closet stores. And I had to let you go because that one is and that top in there. So yeah, let me check it out. This is the shirt. It's in the 16, and this is a Christmas sweater. The photos back then when I put this Christmas sweater, it's been almost a year in my closet, but the photos wasn't good. I think it's my size, so I will wear it until it sells. Why not, right? Let me know. Do you do that too? I love it. I love this hack. We will use a flat rate envelope for this one, but you will cross all the way for the both sides, and we will try to make kind of bag. And trust me, this is really handy for jeans or for jackets. You will find it really handy. And you can do this with the large or legal envelope, and this one, there is the flat one. You will save some money with that. Today I will take my breakfast. So I will take my breakfast in there. I will watch a good series, and I will do some research before I drop the packages. So yeah, a little bit homework today. So I'm watching.
¿Se te han puesto los ojos como cuando sale un móvil nuevo?
Cuando la gente nos hace pedidos, sí, podemos darle lo que pide enseguida. Bueno, con nuestro sistema podemos darle a la gente lo que quiere antes de que lo sepa.
Okay, we will drop the packages. The first bag is for post office. Now we're heading to see if we can buy a cup of coffee in there. As you can see, it's near to the post office where I drop the packages. So why not, right? Why not? So let's check it out. I want a white chocolate signature latte.
A white chocolate signature latte?
Yes, please.
Is that hot or ice?
Hot.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
And would that be all?
Yes, that's it. Thank you.
$4.70. Please go forward.
I didn't got coffee, but I got chocolate. And that's the post office right there. See? It's very difficult. Don't come in and get me a coffee or something at the Dunkin' Donuts. It was $1.79. I'm in debt now. Okay, check it out. There is the place where I drop the packages for the UPS. There you see. Okay, so look friends, something that I love, sorry about the bumps, something that I love about living in this town, even though it's far away from everything, is the downtown. I know the downtowns are similar. Probably you have the beautiful one. Just think this one is a cute one, a cute downtown, and you probably will see it. So I am really in love with this one. I love the Christmas spirit that they have. It's very enjoyable. See, they got trees outside, and the night this looks really gorgeous. And each store have their own decoration outside, which is really cool. And yes, this kind of stuff are the stuff that I love to enjoy. That clock is really cool though. It's very old looking. Yes, it's a really good town. I love it. And yeah, it was last Thursday. If you follow me on Instagram, I was last Thursday in there, and that's the big tree that they got, which which is really cool. And yeah, that's my downtown. And we're heading now to the thrift store, see what we can find. This thrift store is not from here. I have two thrift stores that I visited here. I visited one yesterday. This is the whole that you will see. And this one that we are going to visit have business in other towns too. So we will see. They always have good prices and discounts and offers. So we will check it out. So that's the thrift store that we come in. If you ever hear about it, or you are from North Carolina, let me know. You find good deals in there? We'll check it out today. As we prepare to go into the thrift store, usually I always have a disinfectant. This is for Trader Joe's. It's really cheap and good. Of course, for listening some music. And right now, the money, of course, and we don't using mask anymore, so that's it. That's how we prepare. This thrift store, I like it and I love to support it because they help the kids in Kenya, and it's a really good, organization, and I love to come in and check it out what I can find. And first, and you know me, people who have been following me know me, I love shoes, and I always start with shoes in any thrift store that I go. And in this case, the shoes wasn't that good. I thought this one was on Clark's selling really good for me, immense. And no, it wasn't. And plus, they didn't have insoles, so no. He said no. Then I always check in here because sometimes I found my favorite toy brand to sell, Squish, Mallow, but it wasn't. And the books before I was coming in here and checking them very often. And then look at these shoes, very dirty. Sanitas. Sometimes some patterns sell really good, but in this case, this one, nope. If you find dance go in that kind of style, they will sell really fast though. And yeah, nothing promising with the shoes. Really, really bad day with shoes in this thrift store. Then I was trying to see what they got in this part because sometimes it's $1, but nothing in there. In the purses, this purse was looking something promising, but no cones. And yeah, I left them behind. It was leather completely, so yeah, I'm sorry. You stay in here. Then I was checking more purses in here. Some of them wasn't a well-known brand, so I definitely keeping past them. And yeah, so then we go to the hardware section. This, if I was found the whole set, it would sell really good, and I will leave in here how much they will sell. Around $80 the whole set. Is a this brand, and if you find it, they will sell special this time of Christmas. So I was acting like I didn't have money, and each thing was $2 and $1.49. So yes, I couldn't afford that. And walking more, this Norman Rockwell, it was so pricey though. But it's Norman Rockwell that goes well all the way to 97. This one wasn't one of them. And this type bear called my attention, and it didn't have tags, but it's a Hallmark Christmas teddy bear, and it goes for a really good price. Checking it here, the comes. Of course, the value will go more up if they got tax. In this case, this 1995 wasn't have one, but we still getting him because we love Christmas vintage stuff. And then checking it here, the VHS. Sometimes these ones are going really well. And in this case, I found this Beauty and Beast black diamond. And then we got to the clothing to see what we can find, and it was really bad clothing in here. So yeah, nothing special to see. And then we went to the records to see if I can find something Christmas, and I found that one, but it wasn't good. And check it out, this one. Yeah. Don't you get excited when you see that something like that at the thrift store? Friends, we spent $8 even, and now I'm going to show you what I picked up and the expecting profit. Well, friends, this is what I picked up. So I picked up this Hallmark teddy bear, and I will leave you the comes, and it's a Christmas Hallmark teddy bear, which is really cool. I picked up this Alfred Dunner tweed jacket, and I will leave the coms in here. The coms are very between $14 to $24, so this one will go around there. We will put the price for 14 plus $9.99 shipping. And the Beauty and the Beast Walt Disney Classic Black Diamond. And this one, the prices vary, but this year will go between $100 to $500. So let's see how much is the profit.
The next video.
My friend Lisa and I decided to do a swap box